mga ka-taste buddies! Parang lahat na nakaset up and I think tikiman time na! Sama ko si Nico Bolzico. Let's try. your hand lang. So this is their vongole pasta. Spicy tuyo. Try natin to.
Tuyo?
Tuyo. At ito naman yung pork. So, ngayon, ang daming pagkain. Human time na, diba? Sarap?
Masarap.
Ito yung parang vongole pasta nila na may clams. Nilagay ko yung tuyo kasi syempre bagay din yan. Kahit pasta, very light lang sa tiyan. And very simple yung flavors kaya masarap. Yung tuyo naman, may kick na garlic because as you can see, ang daming spice and chili and garlic. Tikman na natin yung chicken. Ito maraming spice at may parang Mexican na taste. May parang cajun ata, spices and more. Very good. Bagay din sa pasta. At malambot yung chicken, so it's perfect. At syempre naman, ito yung pork belly. Cooked with a lot of citronella. At bagay dito naman yung achara. Achara. Ito lang parang pasto na. Very moist yung meat. Hindi dry. Maraming flavor pero simple din lang. This is an amazing spread. Ang pwede yung dagdagan ay isang bowl of salad or vegetables na homemade na naman, di ba? Okay, I'll see you guys for dessert.
Promised! Time for dessert! Try na natin tong breads ni Tita Mike.
So, super lambot. Sa umpisa, nung nakita ko yung nasa package, parang akala ko mas matigas na cake, parang banana bread type. Pero when I cut it in two, sobrang lambot yung gitna. Super moist. This is really good. Super sarap. As in, parang basa pa yung top part. And very moist. At hindi masyadong overwhelming na cake dahil manipis lang.